How to fill down blank cells in Excel. Do you have blank cells in Excel that should contain the same value as the cell above? Now, I need to fill every blank cell with the value from the cell directly above it. Here are 3 easy ways to do this in Excel. Method 1. Use a formula. First, select the data range containing the blank cells. Press F5 key to open the Go to dialog box. Click Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select Blanks. And then, click OK. All blank cells are selected now. Type an equal sign directly, without changing the current selection. Then, click the cell directly above the active blank cell to reference its value. Now, you should press Ctrl and Enter keys together. Excel will fill all selected blank cells with formulas referring to the values above. At this point, the filled contents are formulas, and we need to convert the formals to values. Select this range, copy it. Right-click, and choose Values. All of the formulas are converted to values. Method 2. Use Power Query. Select your range of data. Go to Data tab. Click from Table Range. In the prompt box, click OK. In the Power Query editor, select the column containing the blank cells. Then, right-click the column header. Choose Fill Down. Power Query will fill each blank cell with the nearest value above. Finally, click Close Load to return the completed data to Excel. This method is especially useful for repeatable data cleaning tasks. Method 3. Use Kutools for Excel. For a faster solution, Kutools can help you populate empty cells with values from above, below, left, or right with just a few clicks. Select the data range containing the blank cells. Click Kutools tab. Insert. Then, choose Fill Blank Cells. In the dialog box, click Based on Values from the Fill With section. Then select Down. You can also choose Up, Left, or Right, depending on the direction you want to fill the blank cells. Click OK. All blank cells will be filled with the values above at once, no formulas or extra steps required. Choose the method that works best for you. Like and save this video, and follow us for more useful Excel tips.